ingredient.
The second ingredient is 1/3 cup chopped fresh basil,
Okay, Google, next ingredient.
1/4 cup shredded Parmesan cheese,
And so on and so on and so on. You guys hungry?
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, Google, skip to instructions.
There's 3 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, in a bowl, toss together the tomatoes, basil, Parmesan cheese, and garlic.
Okay, I didn't just chop these up. So at any point you can just say skip to next step. Okay, Google, skip to next step.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Strange. Okay, Google, next step.
Second step, mix in the balsamic vinegar, olive oil, kosher salt, and pepper.
Or if you miss something, you can obviously go back and grams.
It's about 170.1 grams.
Or, hey Google, how many calories in a tomato?
Tomato's energy is 17.69.
Can you play some music?
Hey Google, play some music.
Okay, here's some music on Google Play Music.
And then ask something.
Go ahead.
Like, I don't know about recipe.
Pardon?
I mean, like, ask something about recipe.
Oh, hey Google, go back to the recipe.
Okay. Picture.
Yeah, it has far field mic, so it's always listening. Even though it's very loud, I can say, hey Google, turn down to 2. So it can really hear you from anywhere. It's quite impressive. The other side of the room.